Hello, today we have a 2012 Southwestern Industries Trak LPM Vertical Machining Center. This machine has the Trak PMX CNC control system. And at this time I'll start the spindle up on the machine and run through to the high range of 8,000 RPMs, and I will send the machine to the home positions and to the ball lock positions to observe the rapids. And I will zoom in for better viewing for this. Start the spindle at 1,000 RPM. $2,500 RPM, 5,000 RPM, 5,000 max spindle speed of 8,000 RPM now. Brake works fine. Stop. Send it home. Ball lock position A. Ball lock B. Ball lock position C. This machine, including all machine and control specifications, can be seen in our eBay store on eBay at Select Machine Tool. And we thank you for viewing.